So that brings me to my next topic, majors. Majors offered at your school. Sure, not every school is going to have your major that you want to get into, or not every school is going to have the best program for a particular major. But just like rankings, that's all like out. That shouldn't matter. I promise you. Even though, this major is going to decide your future and decide what career you get into, trust and believe when I say that you might eventually switch out of that major, or that might not even be the major that you finish school with. Um, so my advice is just to have a general plan and just give yourself a lot of options when it comes to majors. Um, you know, because only you know your interests and dislikes, so only you can really like decide what major is best for you. But I promise you, there's so many people who have came into a school with a particular major, they had that mindset where it's like, I'm gonna be this major, I'm gonna go into this career, yada yada yada, but completely switch pathways to a whole nother major, whole nother career, and just because let me tell you something. Everyone, when they get to college, they change. Um, Not change in a bad way, but change in a way where they just learn and their views are like open to a lot more stuff. So, because a lot of people learn about all the different majors that are offered at your school, at the school. They learn what they can do with the major, what kind of career they can get out of it, and honestly, some people just becoming interested in something completely new and different that they had no idea about before. I actually have a homie who recently, did a drastic change of majors. He went from engineering to business econ, and trust me, those are completely two different fields. He did like a 180 on his major and on his career track. Um, and then I also have another friend who went from bio or biological sciences to public health. Not as drastic as a change of going from engineering to business, but still different enough to where like now the classes that you take are focused on a different topic, different field. So that's why I tell you guys, keep an open mind. Just have a general goal that you want to work towards, but don't be so fixed on one set major. And if you are, that's fine too. Like I know I was. I'm the same major that I was when I first started. So I'd be a hypocrite if I told you not to have that, if you're in a fixed mindset to get out of it. Not saying that I'm in a fixed mindset or that I never considered switching out majors. I'm just saying like I ended up loving my major. So luckily I never had to switch out like majors. And while we're on the subject about majors, I know I make it sound like it's easy to switch majors, but don't expect to be able to change majors like you change underwear, because trust me, there's still a process, there's still a lot of paperwork that you have to do, and sometimes you're not even able to switch into another major that you wanted to switch into, so then you gotta settle for a whole nother major that you didn't even have an idea existed. And I know some friends who also went through that. But yeah, just like I said, keep that open mind. And because I have mentors and I have other friends who, or like I know older people who always tell me that they graduated with, like a psych major or a social major, but right now they work in the entertainment industry, or they work in the film industry, and they just work in a completely different field that was different from what they actually majored in while they were in college. So like I said, like, anything can change in your life,